A war of words and weapons is heating up in Ukraine, and let me tell you, this time, Russia's top diplomat, Sergey Lavrov, has made a statement that has stunned many, including the United States President, Mr. Donald Trump. Lavrov openly confirmed that Russia carried out an airstrike on a facility in Ukraine that was said to be linked to an American company. But here's the twist. Moscow insists that it wasn't just any ordinary factory. According to Lavrov, Russia only strikes military-related targets, never civilian sites. So basically that means, in his words, that the United States linked a facility that must be helping Ukraine's war effort. Now let's rewind a little. Ukrainian official had earlier claimed that the Russian military bombed the plant of one of the America's largest electronics manufacturers that was located in western Ukraine, far from the front lines. Kyiv says that the attack caused serious damage and even casualties, raising alarm over Russia's expanding strike zone. Now to Ukraine, this wasn't a legitimate military target. It was a proof that Moscow is willing to hit deep into its industrial heartland. So, what's really going on here? Well, on one side, it is Russia that is painting the picture of precision strikes guided by the top-level intelligence. They say that they know exactly which particular factories are making equipments, drones, or electronics for Ukrainian army. On the other hand, we have Ukraine and its allies. They see this as yet another example of Russia blurring the line between military and civilian infrastructure. After all, any modern factories can produce both civilian goods and components that have military uses, right? In fact, the United States angle makes this story even bigger. If a facility linked to a major American company was indeed destroyed, it's more than just an attack on Ukraine. It is a message to Washington. Now, Moscow seems to be signaling that Western involvement in Ukraine, whether through weapons or technology, will not go unanswered. And wait, here's the larger picture, ladies and gentlemen. Wars today are no longer fought just on the battlefield, right? They are fought in factories, they are fought in supply chains, and in the technology hub. Every single drone, every single missile, every single piece of advanced equipment has come from somewhere. By targeting production sites, Russia is trying to choke Ukraine's ability to fight. By highlighting the United States links, it is also trying to scare off Western support. So here's a question. Was this a precision strike on a military-linked facility as Russia claims? Or was it an attack on civilian industries as Ukraine wants? Whatever the truth is, this particular episode once again shows that in modern war, factories are as much as battlefield as the front lines themselves.